welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about me getting ready for my first day of school. And I don't know how it is in the USA, but on our first day we don't study anything. We just have the ceremony, the class teacher gives the timetable, then talks some more, and that's basically all what we have on that day. Our dress code is normally a bit formal too. So in this video I'm gonna show you my makeup. That's nothing too special, just a very easy makeup, and I like it because it looks very good. And then my hair, and then some outfits. And I had 3 outfit options what to wear on the first day of school, and our school haven't begun yet. So you can vote in the comments what outfit would you like me to wear on my first day of school. And I think let's get started! First and a very important thing is a primer. I'm applying this A1 Face Perfector all over my face. Next, it's time to cover all my imperfections with the Body Shop Concealer Pencil. For the foundation, I'm using one by Avon with a really light texture, which also harmonizes with the concealer very well. Now I'm bronzing my face with technique where you draw number 3 with the brush on your face, starting from the forehead, going to cheeks, and then down the neck. Blush time! I'm using Makeup Store blush all over my cheeks, and then Clinique blush for the end of my cheeks because it's way darker and gives more depth to my face. I'm setting and blending out my makeup with the Balm Matte Powder. For a more formal look, I'm using the Benefit High Beam to highlight my cheekbones. I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows with Artigo Brow Powder. I'm starting my eye makeup by doing a medium winged line. Now the best part. I'm taking a cream eyeshadow, but I'm applying it with a eyeliner brush. So I'm using the cold shadow to do a cold line above the black one. Mascara. I'm using Maybelline Colossal Go Extreme Volume Mascara, and I honestly love it. My lashes are enormously long after using it. They seriously almost touch my eyebrows. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh! By the way, I'm applying 2 coats of it. keep my lips moisturized but still have a bit color on them, and the perfect product for that is a Baby Lips lip balm. And here's my finished makeup. Not gonna do anything special for my hair, just leaving my natural loose curls what I get after showering. But to give them a bit more volume, I'm spraying the Bath & Body Works Peach Curl spray all over my hair. First outfit is inspired from the office style, straight lines, reserved and discreet. Second outfit is a more casual one and works out if you don't want to be that formal. That blouse with an interesting color and backside is perfect for those days. I added a silver necklace, basic white jeans, and to not be that plain, then some bright colored shoes. Outfit is the curliest, really cute dress with nice detailing and the same necklace and shoes. And this is it. If you enjoyed the video, then just make 2 clicks, one on the like and the other on the subscribe button. Bye!